how dare you? But then it's okay. But I think Karan Patel would be one because we're very close friends, and also Surbi Jyoti, with who I did Nagin, because we got along really, really well. My house help. So I'm really going to miss her. Before I became an actor, I always thought my parents are going to get me married. Krishna Shroff, compete with her is going to be real competition. जब माँ बनेगी तब पता चलेगा.
I have a bit of a game round for you.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think all the game face on and all the game energy is what I'm going to be expecting here right now.
Go for it.
Yes. Okay, let's begin. Okay. A contestant who you're super excited to be with on the show.
I think I don't know much, but from whatever little bit I know, I think Krishna Shroff, because she's super fit, and to compete with her is going to be real competition.
Absolutely.
So I'm looking forward to compete with her.
Okay, a contestant who may be a threat.
I think again her only because she is super fit, but
Yeah.
then I too have my advantages, so you never know.
You never know. What's the one FOMO you'll feel while on the show?
Arey yaar, Aru and Rohit going on holidays, I'm totally going to be like, how dare you? But then it's okay. They should also have some fun.
Exactly. Let the boys have some fun this time.
Yeah.
3 things that you just can't do without but can't carry on this show.
I think my morning tea, my house help. We take all our luxuries for granted, seriously. So I'm really going to miss her. In fact, I've been joking around with Rohit that I don't know how much I'm going to miss you, but I'm going to miss Neelu because she literally does everything for us. But 3 things would probably be my morning tea, all the like yummy snacks that we munch through the day,
Yeah.
and makeup and all to hoga hi.
Okay.
Probably once I get there, I'll be
Yeah,
like, oh my
you
god, ye
know.
nahi liya, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai. I think I'll have a
new
long list.
Exactly. What's your guilty pleasure when you get your time off?
I think watching, binging on some good show on Netflix, and like in fact, when Aru goes for his classes, I'm like, okay, fine, ab 2 ghante
Me time.
mile hain. Yes, totally go for it. So I think binge watching stuff.
Okay. What are you watching currently?
Currently, I've just been watching the remake of the show that I'm doing. So
Okay.
it's called Chau Bai Gawa.
Yeah, the
They've
Marathi
made
version,
the Marathi
yeah.
version. So I've been watching it, and I've been seeing what kind of stunts, basically trying to be a little prepared.
Yeah.
Although it's going to be fully different, but yeah, that's what I'm watching
Okay.
right now.
Yeah, got it. Okay. Who's been your favorite co-star to work with and why?
I think I've been very lucky. I've had great co-stars, but I think Karan Patel would be one because we're very close friends, and also Surbi Jyoti, with who I did Nagin, because we got along really, really well.
Yeah. What's the one beauty or wellness ritual you swear by?
Drinking a lot of water.
Hmm.
Even if I miss it, I keep reminding myself, because I think drinking good amount of water is very, very important, not only for your beauty, but even for your
Yeah.
system internally. It's
Are you
very
the types
important.
who has that water alarm on your phone?
No, but there was a point when, if I was shooting, for example, or if I was busy with Arav, I would miss out on drinking enough water. So I had that alarm set.
That would keep
okay,
ringing
fine.
you.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want an actor, what do you think you'd be doing today?
I don't know. I've had a very simple lifestyle, and before I became an actor, I always thought my parents are going to get me married off. So a homemaker, housewife, which also I am. So yeah.
Okay. The sweetest fan gesture that you've ever received?
Oh, there's so many, yaar. I mean, they just are showering love, whether you're on the show, not on the show, and the way they miss you when you're not around. So I think they're very, very loving, and I love the fact that their commitment towards you is crazy, because like if I've had fans in Ye Hai Mohabbatein, they still they make these edits, and they still
Yeah.
post stuff, and it's just so amazing. And I think this show for me is also I'm giving something to my fans, because they've never really seen the real me
Yeah.
completely, although through social media you do get a
Glimpses,
glimpse,
yeah.
but still they'll get to know me completely, and I'm really happy about that.
Absolutely. Okay. What's the one thing that your mama told you? Okay, because mama knows best. What's the one thing that your mama told you and now you're like, mama was right?
जब माँ बनेगी तब पता चलेगा.
So now that's
literally
that's
that,
the
I
thing.
can feel that statement in every form, because seriously, you'll only understand when you become a mother. There's just so much to it that
Yeah.
You
A
need to be
lot-
a mother to know it, actually.
Yeah, I think a lot that goes up in year, and year is something that can't be explained in
Cannot,
words.
cannot.
Absolutely.
Cannot.
Thank you so much for chatting with me and
Thank
removing
you.
your time. And all the
Thank you.
very best for this show.
Thank you so much. And thank you, guys. And wish you also all the luck. And keep promoting this episode so that people watch the show and enjoy the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Anita Hassanandani, and you're watching me on Mama Razi.